For the last 7 years, I used to live or 8 in Krakow. Each year we could see the festival, we participated festival, and I think this is what I said about Ukraine also. When you face the people, when you talk with them, when you eat with them, you can't hate them anymore. I mean, at least you start to have some idea in the head that maybe they are the same like we are. And this is what festival is doing in Krakow. So imagine in Krakow, people walking in kippah, the Orthodox Jews which are walking with payas and so on, and ladies with children and long dresses. No one is aggressive to this. No one is reacting. No one is even watching this with the big eyes, you know. So this is very special, and this is a festival. This is what festival did. You can feel there. You enter in the synagogues. There is no bodyguard standing there. There is no bulletproof walls. You know, no danger. And rather, I would say interest, and even I would say, I mean, trendy. It became in some areas of Polish culture, of Polish. I would say a little bit snob maybe. It's trendy to have a friend which is Jewish, or to go to Jewish concert, or to so so it's really interesting which direction it's going.